Yeah, we're ready.
Email. Let's go.
Let me get this ready. Let me get it 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 ready. Peace and violence. Niggas moving silent. No comment. And my man did a diamond. No timing. He's not telling. He'd rather go to jail and be a felon than be snitching and be yelling. My nigga told me. Instead rebelling got the homie. Say, fuck them other niggas cause they phony. They ride from mine and see murder with the burner. Niggas talking stupid. You know them niggas turn up. Them niggas are switch up like werewolves pulling the nighttime. Fuck the police trying to fight crime. Bite minds. Thin line between love and hate. I swear to God, when I'm done with this hell, I'll meet the pearly gates. God decide my fate. Wait until a nigga bait. Shake that I make up. Praying on my knees when I wake up. About to hit the, so I can take up the strip. Got the chips, so I dip to the whip. And my grip. Got the hammer, got the burners, got the bullet.
Yes.
That's what it got, nigga. I pull it. You say something while I read in Psalms. I wipe the tears from my dying mom. I swear to God, I got the tats on my arm to bear the pain. So I'ma look in the mirror, I never be the same. I got a lot to lose, but homie, nothing to gain. Just a little bit of change, walking through the rain. And life seems strange while I be puffing on a cigarette. Stress so bad, I swear to God, I need some Nicorette. Niggas be like, you done, homie, I ain't finished yet. Place your bet, life or death. What you wanna do, what you wanna lose, I ain't got a clue. When the boys in blue came, you said my name, I swear to God you did. I put the burner to your head, you'll never see tomorrow. Have a Z, cut your body up, you'll be like Zorro.
Yeah.
Another day come, we tattoo years, we drinking beers to hide all the fakes. Nobody cares, so nigga through all the years, my niggas we paying stress, niggas we run with burners, niggas be aiming texts, my niggas is all vexed, they call me collect. Like I swear to God I need to check, I'm at his neck. Nigga, you talking stupid on my cellular phone, so we gotta get off. Hang it up, niggas talking that stupid shit. You bang or what? Nigga, I don't bang a thing. All I do is run wild with my gang like orangutans. And I gotta hang, let my balls hang in the skinnies. Nigga, suck the Jimmy if you got a problem. Call Hitchcock to solve it. Me and my little boy, we riding with the little toy. That little noise shit, you place your bet. Cause life is a gamble, it's life or death. So what you really wanna do till I lose the breath? I'm gonna pick one. Fuck it. Got picks, huh? Then I'm done.